How to fix QuickBooks Accounting app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix QuickBooks Accounting app not working. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your application is fully updated. For that, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Then you want to search for QuickBooks Accounting app. Here, if you have the update button, simply tap on it and update the application to the latest version. Once the application has been up to date, any problems in the application will be automatically resolved. However, if it is not resolved, the next thing you want to do is open up Settings. Here, you want to scroll down and tap on the Apps option. From the list, you want to select QuickBooks Online, then tap on the Storage option. Now you want to tap on the Clear Cache option, then tap on Clear Data and tap on the Delete option. Once the data has been deleted, open QuickBooks, log into your account and check if your issue has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then another thing you can do is simply uninstall this application. Once you have uninstalled the app, head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for QuickBooks. Now you want to tap on the Install button. After you have reinstalled the application, any issue with the app will be fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.